going on, YouTube? I'm back this Sunday. Finna drop this rating video of my Instagram followers. I've been trying to get back on track, but it's kind of hard. I can't do it. It's kind of hard. So I'm about to go ahead and get started. I got so much stuff I got going on with this car, my old car, my new car. It's hard to keep up and record everything. And I just don't know, man. We finna get this rating video started. And we gonna get started with the Ghost 3.7. Look on my phone. Okay. First of all, we're gonna go ahead and put this out there right now. This man got a V6 with a supercharger on it. He got a V6 with supercharger on it. Okay, the car clean. Car clean is different. I mean, everybody be yelling, go Coyote, go Coyote, go Coyote, oh, yada, yada, yada. This man got a 3.7 V6, looks like a 2014, I don't know what year is it, but call it Ghost. Pretty clean car. Like it got the carbon fiber deck lid, quad tips, that's definitely an 11 to 12 car with that bumper. You got the grown man raced wheels on there. You got it together, man. You can't go wrong with it. But the motor, it don't look like a 3.7. I mean, maybe I'm tripping. That's definitely a 3.7. Anyways, small motor, little car, nice car. You got it put together pretty well. It's coming together well. You got the cowl hood, the front lights, the wheels. You need some more wheels. You do need some more wheels. You probably should do a 13, 14 back bumper. But anyways, car pretty clean. I'm gonna give it a 10 just because it's different. Like, you don't see people talking about a turbo V6 or a supercharged V6 or something in that range of motion, you know what I'm saying? It's always Coyote, 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 Coyote. And I'm gonna give you a 10. So, car definitely dope. I wanna see it run when it's done or whenever you're done with it. So, send that to my inbox when you get it done. All right, moving on from the V6 to GT Torres 21. You ain't got but one picture. One. And it's a 3-valve. Okay, you told me to roast it. We finna start right here. First of all, we finna start with these wheels. Why? Then we gonna go to these lights. Ew. That front bumper, I can't talk about it. We got the same front bumper. That hood, I don't know much about it. But anyways, car still look pretty decent. And I'm gonna give you some opinions of my own. I'm gonna give you some of my opinions, how I feel. And I think you should get the hood painted. That'll help. Get some more wheels. 4-star Belgian, I think Alfarada, anything that make it look good. Get you some wheels, 20 by 9, 20 by 10, 20 by 11 for the rear. Staggered, lower it down on some coilovers or some lower springs or airlift, however you feel. But you got so many options to get the car clean, man. So I'm gonna give it a 7. It got a long ways to go. It really don't. It just need paint, wheels, and lowering, and a Coyote swap. I'm just playing. We ain't gonna talk about the Coyote shit. But it ain't bad. You only got one picture. I can't look at it like that. Carbon Coyote. Finna come to you, see what you got going on. You was supposed to been on the last week video, but some reason, somehow, you got a Coyote quick. I think you had a V6. I don't know. Yeah, you had a V6 black. So I can't attack you last week. It ain't go through like that. That ain't how it worked out. But even the V6 was clean. You can't go wrong with that. Carbon fiber, you got the tail lights. That back bumper look good. That diffuser on that bumper, that's clean. You got the lights. So if I had to guess, I'm guessing you taking everything from the V6, putting it on the 5.0, which is why you changed the name to Carbon 5.0. You got this big, crazy looking wing, bro. What's up, bro? Like, it look good though, man. You can't. It's different. I can't knock it. I definitely need to do a 13 and 14 rear bumper, man. It looks so good. Plus, I need those tail lights. So if you ever want to sell into that, let me know. Let me know. I'm gonna give the car a 7 though, cause I mean, to me, the car is clean, but I think the car got a lot more to go. In my opinion, wide body, since you got that big spoiler or wing, whatever you want to call it. Some more wheels. Those Nietzsche wheels, you can keep them. I'll take that back. You can keep those, just lower it down, and maybe a wide body kit, something up in that nature, and the car would be dope. But I'm gonna give it a 7. I'm finna go look up that bumper right now, as soon as I'm done with this video. Alright, we moving on. S197 Lucifer, aka the ghetto stain. What the fuck? What kind of gun is this? You made this out of spark plugs, chain, and some iron. You creative, man. I don't know what the hell you was thinking. What the? Alright. 245, whatever that means. Okay, you definitely ain't got many pictures of it. Wow. You ain't got many pictures of it, but I remember we talked in the inbox, told you the car was different or whatever. We talked somewhere, and it's definitely different. You got that front bumper. I don't know what the hell that is. To be honest, I don't know what kind of front bumper that is. It's a crowd killer. I know what that means. Those headlights, I don't know where you was going with that. Tail lights, they look okay. Those wheels, I think they're 22s, 24s. They look good. They're just big. And I think you should lower it down, change that front bumper, change that hood. And you can actually pull that look off. I mean, it's not a real bad look, but it look more ghetto. Just, I don't know. I don't know what you had going on, but it's different though. I'm gonna give it like a 5 though. Yeah, I'm gonna give it a 5. Them wheels, they got a lot of poke, bro. I don't even think them wheels for that car. 5. Going on, J S197. Let me get back to you. Okay then. Didn't I just inbox you? Yep, we just talked about this bag install. So you just installed bags on your car, like I'm about to be doing in the next several weeks as the tank ever come. But anyways, you got some nice wheels on it. I don't know what type of wheels those are, but cow hood. Before it was on bags, it looked okay. It looked pretty good, to be honest. Like you went out to Vegas and played in the sand. I done seen so many people playing in the sand lately out there in Vegas. I gotta get my car there to get a picture like that, man. Y'all making me want to drive to Vegas. So it's definitely a clean car. That gray. Then you got the, I think that's either a carbon fiber hood or a matte black hood that ain't been painted. RTR diffuser. You got the quad tips. Got the grown man wheels on it. Oh, you do a little bit of racing. It looks so good, bagged, man. That's crazy. I'm gonna give it a 9. Bro, why you still ain't washed it though, bro? Like, do you plan on washing it? It'd probably be hard to clean it, but I'm gonna give it a 9. Still a clean car. So we moving on. I think it's called Moses 50. Gravel blue. Had a nice gravel blue on here last week. That made the thumbnail, and I've been looking at yours. I think this is gonna be the thumbnail too. I don't know. I'll figure it out in a minute. Belgian wheels. Look like you may be on Coilovers, I think. We talked about that before. I know it's low, wherever you on. When you had those bronze wheels on it, man, that was clean. That was definitely different on the gravel blue car. Then I like it was gray. I wonder, is that even the same car? I'm pretty sure that's the same car. Wait, go back. I'm pretty sure that's the same car. 13. Oh, it's intense blue, not gravel blue. Okay, my bad. It still look good though. I'm gonna give it a 10. I think you should do quad tips and bags. But anyways, everybody do that, so don't be like everybody else. Be a little different. Car's still clean. I'm gonna give it a 10. Guard 50.0. Guard green, one of my favorite colors of the S550, because in certain sunlight it look dark gray, and if you really ain't paying attention, it don't look green at all, which is different. You ain't got many pictures yourself, but are those 4-star wheels? I never seen those. The wheels in the car look good. I'm gonna have to give it a I'm gonna give it an 8. I think it should go a little bit lower with it. That wing, I don't know how I feel about that wing. It's still clean though. Can't knock it. I don't even know what wing that is. You got front splitters in the rods to connect to it. A Brembo package car. It's pretty clean. So yeah, I'm gonna give you an 8. Think you should lower it down a little bit. And that's about all you need to do to it. Lower it down. I don't know what mods you got, so just lower it down. Going to 5.0 Venom. Right, you got some clean pictures. Some clean rolling shots. I don't know who took your pictures, but they definitely need a shout out. Cause them pictures is nice. Camden Media. Scroll through your page real quick. Let everybody see what you got going on. You take some good pictures. But anyways, your roller shots, they clean, car clean, stock. Like you may have tail lights and Roush exhaust. Everything else on the car is stock. That hood may not be stock. That's definitely a cow hood. Okay, so I'm gonna give the car like a 7. Just because, I mean, it's pretty much stock. I don't know how long you had it. Maybe you plan on modding it a little bit more, but you got a nice hood, you got some nice taillights, and you got the loudest exhaust it probably is besides Corsa. So yeah, I'm gonna give it a 7. The car look good. Can't go wrong with it. It's 2012. Shout out to your cameraman too. Valdo S197. You got 2 pictures. Saline front grille, Boss front fascia. I hate them wheels, man. Everybody have them wheels. I seen them wheels maybe 9 times yesterday at a car meet when I was passing by on the older Camaros, and I just hate those wheels. I don't know why, but car black on black with the blue calipers. We got the same headlights, look like. I got HIDs though. I don't know if you got HIDs. Anyways, car clean, but I'm gonna give it like a 7 just because I don't like the wheels. And I mean, it's a clean car. You just ain't got enough pictures for me to actually look at the car and see what's going on with it. But I'm gonna give it a 7. We're gonna move on to the last one on the list, which is DVRK dark 3-valve. Which you said your car wasn't all that. I think that was you. Nope, that was somebody else that inboxed me saying their car wasn't all that. But you got the car set up nice. I mean, if you really didn't know your cars, you wouldn't know it was a 3-valve just from looking at the outside of it. I mean, you got saline grille. You got some nice headlights, which is the same headlights I have. I don't know if you got HIDs or not. You got the big boy wheel on the back, so like you do a little racing with it. You got the quad tips, which I won't. You got the car well put together, man, to be a V8 3-valve 4.6. I don't know what mods you got done to it. I assume it may be boosted or it may be just full bow tone. Maybe you got it in the bio. Check. Oh, we just say slow 3-valve, so see. It's definitely loud, I can tell you that. It ain't boosted, don't sound like, but it's loud. Cam, okay then. Cam 3-valve, you probably put down a good little bit of power. So I'm gonna give the car 8, man. The car clean. Those wheels look good on that car. Them 4-star wheels, all of them look good. Then you camming. Let's listen to that one more time. Jeez, that sounds good. Make me get me a 3-valve. Just for the sound. But anyways, I'm gonna give the car, what, 8, 9? I don't know what I gave it the first time. I'm gonna get it a 9. Fuck it. Run with it. It look good though. You got the tail light conversion, 13 to 14 bumper conversion. drag wheel on the back, saline front grille, nice headlights, stock bumper, overall car clean, and that's pretty much it for this week of this rating video. And I'm out. I catch y'all next Sunday with another 10. Hopefully I can get more new edges, more S550 spot bodies, any other car other than S197s, which I understand I'm getting because I have an S197 of my own. But anyways, thank you for watching. Come back next week. Tune in, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button, just hit all the buttons besides the dislike button, and check in next week.